All my tech bros and sis, gather here. Even the wannabes, you are welcome. I want to reveal a top secret to you. Especially those of you that have been looking for a side something to do in this social media. This is for you. Yes, you looking at me. You see this phone? This thing called a smartphone. Most persons do not know the amazing things that can be done with it. And that is why we have launched a 3-in-1 smartphone course, and we want you to be part of it. It includes motion graphics design with your smartphone, where you will learn comprehensively how to create amazing motion adverts with your smartphone. Well, that's not all. Inclusive in this 3-in-1 course is video editing with your smartphone. Trust me, you are going to understand in no time, even if your head, At the end of this video editing course, you'll be able to edit podcasts, skits, business video ads, and even more. The third course that is inclusive is graphic design using your smartphone. I trust you guys know this is a hot cake. Well, at the end of it, you'll be able to create all these and even more. You like what you see? Now, this is going to blow your mind. All these amazing courses are for free. Yes, you heard me, free. All you have to do is follow the link below to enroll. Isn't that awesome? No more excuses, so I don't have a laptop, I don't have a good system. Guys, all you need is just your smartphone. No more excuses. See you in class.